Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Bronze Lock Picker 60 and today's challenge lock I'm going to attempt to get into. It was sent to me by Pickaholic. Pickaholic, thanks a lot my man for this lock and all the other locks you sent me in your last package. And this one is titled Millin and it's penned by Sapien. And it's number 7, 718, 17. That's the bidding. Excuse me. And as you can see, she works. I haven't picked in a while. Been kind of busy around this time of the year. You get kind of busy around here. So, but let's see if I can get into this bad boy. Going top of the keyway with Peterson 50,000 and my homemade pick that I have. I think I made this one about 2 years ago. Okay. Let me get this a little closer to me. There we go. Going to the rear. 5, that's 4. That was 2, that's 1. 5. Alright, 4, give me a nice default, full set. 1, lock to back up. Go back to 5. 4, 3. Okay, 3 gave me a nice deeper false set. That was 1. Gave me a click and a deeper false set. And 3 opened it up. Holy crap, man. Alright, well, you know, I'll take that. And yeah, it was a fun lock. Like I said, I haven't picked in a while. So it's a wonder I got that puppy open. That fast anyway. Hope everyone's doing well. And my man Neil, thanks for making this lock and putting it out, sending it out to the community. Man, that's a hard, tight spring in there, man. Excuse me. Yeah, so, holy smokes. Man, it's like, push this sucker down. Come on, baby. Don't turn upside down on me. Where's my little launch? There. Yeah, that little don't do that here to hold this cap in. That spring is from like an old Chevy pickup or something, man. Okay. Yeah, don't pop out. I'd like to give a shout out to Fast Charlie. He had made a trade with K1 Locks and had picked some of my locks, and he had some good things to say. So, you know, all I say, Charlie, just Fast Charlie, just keep going, man. Keep doing what you're doing. You'll get there. Okay. I cannot see anything down to the core with the pins in it, at least. And you see the key works perfectly fine. Okay. Okay, 1 is standard. 2, I say it's a double serrated. 3 is a deep serration. Holy crap. I love 4. 4 is a T-pen, spool, and serrations all in one. It's a hybrid, as I refer to them. And 5 is a reduced diameter with a serration on it. I'll get a close-up of these when I get the rest of them out. Come on, baby. And I don't see anything in it. No. Okay. That's that. Let's go to the top. Come on, baby. Where the action is. Yeah, it was a fun lock. I love locks that are, you get plenty of feedback. Alright, number 1 is a serrated driver. Number 2 looks like a pin and pin. Yep. Number 2 is a pin and pin, and the sleeve is serrated, as I refer to them as sleeves, or the collar. Number 3 is that? Nope. Number 3, it's serrated T-pen. And may look like all the pins may be the same. I mean, the springs may be the same. Okay, number 5, it's a deep spool with the stainless steel springs, so they're all the springs are the same. And number 4, it's a serrated T-pen. And hold on a second, what's this? Doesn't look like anything done to the Bible as well. Nope. No, not that I can tell. If I mistakenly said the wrong thing, I apologize. Let's see if I got one of these without knocking them over. Here we go. Like I said, number 1, standard. Number 2 is a deep serrated. It might be a reduced diameter. Yep, reduced diameter. Number 3, it's a serrated. And number 4, you see it's a spool, T-pen, and serrated all in one. And number 5, it's a serrated with a small diameter, a reduced diameter on top. Double serration and 1 for the driver. T-pen with the collar being serrated. Serrated T-pen. Serrated T-pen on 3 or 4 as well. And a spool in 5, and all the springs on top are stainless steel. And I want to thank everyone for joining me at this adventure, and I hope everyone's doing well. Thank you, Pickaholic, for sending me this lock and all the other locks. Sapien, thanks a lot, my man, for putting this out. Good work, beautiful pins, and be safe, be legal, and as always, stay calm and pick on. Thanks a lot, everyone. Bye-bye.